Your car is constantly talking to you, and strange noises are often its way of asking for help. Here are 10 sounds you should never ignore. 10. A high-pitched brake squeal. This usually means the brake pads are worn and need attention before they damage the rotors. 9. A grinding noise while braking. Metal-on-metal contact may already be occurring, making this an urgent repair. 8. A knocking sound from the engine. It can indicate improper combustion or internal wear, both of which can become serious quickly. 7. A loud exhaust rumble. A leak in the exhaust system can reduce performance and allow fumes to enter the cabin. 6. A whining noise that rises with engine speed. This may point to a worn belt, pulley, or accessory component. 5. Clicking during turns. A failing CV joint is a common cause, and replacing it early is far cheaper than waiting for it to fail completely. 4. Hissing from under the hood. Escaping coolant or vacuum leaks can lead to overheating and poor engine performance. 3. A clunk when shifting gears. This can signal worn mounts, driveline issues, or transmission trouble. 2. A rhythmic thumping from a wheel. Check the tires immediately. Uneven wear or damage can quickly become dangerous. And number 1, any sudden new sound. If your car has never made that noise before, don't assume it's normal. Investigating early almost always saves money and prevents bigger problems. Listen carefully. Catching these warning sounds in time can protect both your car and everyone inside it.